Sicily is a hot golden island surrounded by brilliant blue waters and features Greek temples and Norman castles. Truly an ancient land. And dishes here are simple, yet intensely flavorful, like this scacce, folded flatbread, with ricotta cheese and fennel seeds. This dough is made from durum wheat flour, water, and olive oil. I gave it a good kneading and then let it rest to relax the gluten, which makes it so much easier to roll out. So my dough is rolled nice and thinly. I'll just put that on the baking sheet. And the filling starts off with beautiful fresh ricotta cheese. And see how light and airy it is? And ricotta is a very mild-mannered cheese, which allows you to flavor it with just about anything. And in Sicily, it's a couple of simple ingredients. A little freshly chopped parsley and fennel seeds. Sweet and very fragrant. To fill the flatbread, a thin layer of my ricotta mix all over the bottom of my rolled out dough, except for 1 inch from the edge. Now, my first layer of ricotta is down, so I'm going to make the very first fold. And all I do is take the dough from the left side, bring it into the center. From the right side, and into the center. My next layer of ricotta is ready to go on. And here, I just do it on one side, leaving about 1 inch from the edge with no ricotta. With this layer, a little olive oil. Now to seal it closed, so I don't lose any of that wonderful ricotta, simply wet the edges with a little water. Fold. One more time. Press down firmly on the outer edge to give it a good seal. A little brush with olive oil. And these folds will look so intricate when this bread is baked and you cut into it. 3 simple folds is all it took. Now this is ready to bake. There's only one thing better than freshly baked bread in life, and that is freshly baked bread that you baked. I like to hit this with a little sea salt and a few more fennel seeds. Just look at that golden brown color, and the smell is just wonderful. See how easy that cuts? Look at that. Just wonderful little swooping folds, packed full of soft, delicate, fennel-scented ricotta. And fresh out of the oven. So simple, so beautiful. That is tasty. There's nothing quite like a freshly baked scacce.